new anomaly has been registered to stable. A new species of shadow birds, which we have named the bombing birds. The bombing birds are dangerous creatures which can fly at high speeds and high altitudes. They only hunt humans. They have long and sharp beaks which they use to sever through the neck of their prey. Bombing birds hunt in specific areas. These areas seem to be places where a type A or type B shadow has hunted, or areas where type were or are present. The bombing birds also release an unknown gas, which is invisible to the naked eye. This gas doesn't cause any severe side effects alone. But once it comes in contact with the shadow's gas, it causes a reaction, forming a gas which explodes. Bombing birds also produce a parasitic organism in their body. These parasites are called the ovum. They are the androids of the bombing birds which drain the life of their host and grow into a bombing bird. If you see a dark object in the sky, evacuate the area immediately. The further the object is, the more time you have before it starts